In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the WP Travel Engine plugin for your WordPress website. This step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the entire installation process and help you configure vital settings to get your travel website up and running smoothly. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center of your WordPress site, where you can manage plugins, themes, and settings. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the Plugins option. Hover over it and a drop-down menu will appear. Click on Add New to navigate to the plugin installation page. Now that you're on the plugin installation page, it's time to find the WP Travel Engine plugin. You'll notice a search bar at the top right of the screen. Go ahead and type WP Travel Engine into the search field and hit enter. This will display a list of plugins related to your search term. You'll want to look for the WP Travel Engine plugin specifically. It should be easy to spot, but make sure you're selecting the right one. Once you've identified the correct plugin, you'll see a button labeled Install Now next to it. Click on this button to begin the installation process. WordPress will handle the download and installation automatically, so there's no need for additional steps here. Just give it a moment, and the Install Now button will change to an Activate button. When the Activate button appears, go ahead and click on it. Activation is a crucial step because it makes the plugin functional on your site. Without activation, the plugin will remain dormant and not serve its purpose. Once activated, WP Travel Engine will be ready to use. After activating the plugin, you'll need to configure some basic settings to tailor the plugin to your needs. Begin by navigating to the WP Travel Engine section in the dashboard sidebar and click on Settings. Here you'll find various options to adjust and customize the plugin according to your travel business requirements. First, click on Currency to set the preferred currency for your travel bookings. This ensures pricing reflects the currency you'd like to receive payments in, whether you're targeting local or international travelers. Then, move on to payment methods. WP Travel Engine supports several payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and bank transfer. Choose the ones that best align with your business model and make sure you have these accounts set up and ready to use. Lastly, don't forget to check out the booking settings. Here you can make adjustments to how bookings are managed and ensure that everything operates smoothly, catering to your operational preferences. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on installing and setting up the WP Travel Engine plugin. By following these steps, you'll have a functional travel booking system on your WordPress site in no time. Thank you for joining me and happy travels!